Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a PayPal account for YouTube. First, visit the PayPal website and sign up for a new account. You'll need to choose between a personal or business account, depending on your channel's needs. Provide your email, create a strong password, and enter your personal details. It's crucial to link a bank account or credit card to verify your identity, which enables smooth transactions and ensures your account is fully functional for receiving payments from YouTube. This initial setup is straightforward. Once your PayPal account is ready, the next step is connecting it to your YouTube channel. Go to your YouTube studio, then navigate to the monetization section. Within this area, you'll find the Payments tab where you can select PayPal as your preferred payment method. Simply enter the email address associated with your PayPal account and confirm the connection. Remember, a verified PayPal account is essential to prevent any delays in receiving your earnings from YouTube, ensuring a smooth payout process. Account verification is a critical step for security and functionality. Complete PayPal's verification by confirming your email address and linking a financial instrument like a bank account. For enhanced security, I highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication on your PayPal account. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Regularly review your PayPal transaction history for any suspicious activity, and always keep your PayPal and YouTube login credentials separate and secure to safeguard your earnings and personal information effectively. Now, let's talk about receiving your payments. YouTube typically processes payments once a month, usually around the 21st day. It's vital to ensure your PayPal account details are always up to date within your YouTube Studio settings to avoid any payment disruptions. Be aware that PayPal might charge small transaction fees for receiving payments, so factor that into your earnings. Finally, maintain accurate records of all your YouTube earnings for tax purposes, which will simplify your financial management significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.